Hello everyone. So today we are going to talk about a badminton kit in which I have ordered Yonex rackets and a full tunnel of shuttles. So let's unbox this. In this we got two rackets. I ordered one black, one grey. It comes up with the bags. So bags were not that much of high quality, they are a little bit cheap, but the rackets are very good. So this is the first one, the black one, and it has red and white wire. And coming to the model is 303i, and the quality is quite impressive as if I compare it to the price. Similarly, as I mentioned, the second one is the grey color, and same model 303i, red and white wire, the GR-303i. So coming to the prices, the black one is having the MRP of 990, while the grey one is having the MRP of 750. And I ordered these in a sale, so the grey one cost me around 469. Similarly, the black one. So let's open the shuttle box. So in this we are having 10 pieces of the shuttle. I ordered this non-GI 500XL. You can see these are the old-fashioned shuttles, the white one with the feathers. I was about to order the green one, which are completely made of plastic, but I didn't go for it because it is a bit cheaper and I am a beginner. So for beginner, this is the best kit, I can say. And now let's come to the price for the same. And coming to the shuttle box, it is containing 10 shuttles, and the MRP of this product is 400, and it cost me around 237 rupees. So that's all for the unboxing of the beginner badminton kit. I hope you like the video.